Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about introduction to Microsoft Excel. So first we will see how an Excel file looks like. This is the Excel file which is known as a workbook. The default name of an Excel file is book 1. Here you see this is the office button and this is your quick access toolbar. Now we will move to the next part, that is your tab. These are known as the tabs. This is the name box where it will be displaying you the name of the cell, name of the current cell. By default it is A1. Now this is the formula bar where we can type the formulas. When you are clicking on this cell, this is known as active cell. This is the known as row heading. Here one is the row name and A is the column name. So this is row heading and this is column heading. Now this is the status bar. Here this is the status bar. This is the work area where we will do our calculation. And this is the scroll bar. Okay, there are two scroll bars here. So this is all about your Excel's window, how it looks like. Now we will move to components of Excel file. So as you know, an Excel file is known as a workbook. This workbook is the collection of worksheets. In 2007, by default, there are three worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. As per your requirement, you can add more sheets like this. Okay, now we can rename these sheets. Suppose I want to rename it to January. And this one I want to rename to February. In short, I am typing. Now this one, right click, then go to rename option. Then here you can type the name. Next you come here. Similar way you can do for all. Now we also can color them. How to color them? Right click, go to tab color, then any color you want, you choose from here. Now come to this. Go to tab color, then from here you choose the color. Again come here, then choose the color. Right click, tab color, choose the color. Now again same way you can color this also. Tap color, then choose the color. So this way we can apply the color to the sheet tabs. They are known as the sheet tabs. So by default there are three worksheets. Okay, these are the sheet tabs. If I don't want these worksheets, let us see whether there are four worksheets or not. Click on February. So you will get one more worksheet. When I will click on March, I will get one more. When I will click on April, I will get one more worksheet. If I don't want, what I will do? Simply right click on the sheet tab and click on the delete. So you will see that already that sheet is deleted. Okay. So we will learn about now what is cell, what is active cell and what is name box. So this is your active cell on which we are clicking. What is the name of this cell? A1, which appears here in the name box. This is also known as current cell. Active cell is also known as current cell. Then what is a cell? A cell is an intersection of a row and column. A cell is an intersection of a row and column. So where your one row and column intersects, we are getting a cell. Now formula bar. This is the formula bar where we have to type our formula. As you know, Excel is used for complex calculations. So for that we have to type the formulas. So here we can type the formula. And this is your column headings. Okay, this A1. In A1, A is the column name and 1 is the row name. Okay, now we will move to the next part of Excel, how to enter the data. Now how we will enter the data. So simply, suppose I want to create an Excel file for daily expenses. So what I will do, I will type here daily expenses. Now, if you want to merge them, simply select these two and click on merge and center. Now you can give the color also. If you want any color, you can give the color. If you want to increase the width, you can increase like this. If you want to increase the size of the text, from here you can increase the size of the text. Okay. Now we will see how to enter the data. For example, for daily expenses, I am taking like this items. Then I am taking the day. So you have to take 7 days in a week, but I am for a demonstration purpose, I am only taking 2 days. Monday and Tuesdays. Monday and Tuesday. Now I am taking some items like milk, stationery, okay. Now you can give here what is the amount for that. It is up to you. What is the amount you are going to take? Suppose I am taking it 100. I am taking this, suppose 200. Here I am taking milk 50. Here I am taking 50. So this is the way you can enter the data. Okay, now we will see how to enter the data and what are the types of data in Excel we can enter in 2007. In 2007, you can enter three types of data. They are number, they are text and also formula. These are the numbers what we are entering. These are the text. And the third one we will discuss about now is formula. How to apply a formula for a simple calculation we are going to learn in this chapter. For that, what we have to do? In Excel, a formula starts with a equal to symbol. A formula starts with an equal to symbol. For that, what we have to do? For simple calculation, simply you put an equal to symbol, then select the cell. Then give a plus symbol, then again enter another cell, then click enter. Press enter. After that, you can drag it like this so that the calculation will be done. I have taken only two data. You can go for more data and you can do the calculations. Okay. In the next lesson, we will learn about how to do these calculations by using formulas. So this is all about for this lesson. Thank you.